Good morning. This morning we're going to be looking at sterling yen. Now we've taken a sell trade in this cross currency. I'm briefly going to explain why we've come to that conclusion. Now the weekly chart shows an impulsive sell-off from the 2015 high. We've since seen a recovery. We're stalling close to the 38.2% pullback level of 148.60. The last 2 weeks have posted doji style candles, which normally highlight indecision. For the last 47 weeks, we've seen mixed and volatile trading. We look for that to be forming an ending wedge pattern that has a bias to break to the downside. Now, if we go to the daily chart, here we can see quite an aggressive move, obviously, to the downside after the Bank of England rate decision last week. We've since seen a mild recovery, just bouncing off the daily Ishimoku cloud. Now, the Marabuzo level from last week, from that aggressive sell-off, which is a midpoint from the open and the close, is at 150.08. We do have some bespoke support to the downside at 146.05, which is going to be one of our target levels for this short to medium term trade. Now, if we go down to the intraday chart, the 4-hour chart, here we've got another wedge pattern. This time it's an expanding wedge formation, which has a bias to break to the downside, and that target level is actually located at 147, or the measured move is located at 147. So we're short in sterling yen. The level is 149.74. Got a stop placed at 150.30, which is just above the Marabuzo level. There's only two targets for this trade. We're going to look at 147, the figure, and then 146.05.